get on out of here. I got the bus happening. You hear the engine running, idling, and waiting for the first stop to get on going. That's better. I'm continuing on with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and we're taking a long way home, a nice walk. And we're going through the Tunnel of Yellow. Extra makes this camera. It's called the Edge Pro. And Extra's coming out with the Edge Pro 2. Hey, I'm Fish. Talk nice and loud, give a yell. Give a little bit of a ambient sound, or whatever you want to call it. We have to carefully look. Don't want to make sure a car comes flying down on the blind spot. I like going down this block over here for the reasons of all the animals got their backs turned to you. How sweet is that, man? You pick any type of animal you want. Oh, the little chipmunk is looking at you. Some of the bobbleheads, Minix. I don't know who Minix is. To me, that's new, but not bobbleheads. Who's out there every single day from the 1800s doing one of these? And they gotta go into the city to see it? I don't. So I'm gonna turn you around real nice and slow. And maybe you'll see what I'm pointing out. Well, you can't get a good look, but it's there. It's got the podium and all. Ooh, man. Yeah, that's the beauty. Now, I don't like making 10-second videos. Maybe you do. That's the beauty of having an action camera, not worrying about a raindrop hitting one of the lenses. What type of car is this? I knew it was a Dodge Durango or something. So the Edge Pro 2 is a DJI Osmo Action 6. And that's what they will have to come on out with. And people are waiting on an extra mic. The Extra X, most likely I call it, be an awesome name. The Extra X mic. It'll match up on everything. Don't have to put anything more in character on there. XTRAX. 5 characters. Don't you just love living in houses like this? The higher up, the more you hear that passing of the cars all day, all night. That's music to somebody's ears that puts people to sleep. Just like sirens, horns, and traffic. I'm walking away from it, getting away from it. There we go. It dropped down like 50%. I got things to look at, things to do, things to get done. And I got to make a decision. I can always get returned. I need a new office chair. And every chair I'm looking at, I can't find in the store to sit and try. Everything's online. Office Max, Office Depot, Micro Center. No such animal here. I just got Staples that closed the shop. Old style garage. A lot, because you can't park your car anywhere. Might as well just make it a lot. I never been so exhausted in my life of saying good morning every single day, no matter what time it was. And I'm talking about the land of the thousand lakes, Minneapolis, Minnesota. I grabbed my rollerblades, I rode into Lake Minnehaha. I parked the car, Lake Harriet, Lake Calhoun. I can't remember the 5 lakes I went around, but I know I could look at the maps and back at my video of me rollerblading and scooting on by. Love the path. I'm going along pretty fast, doing the turn, and this little kid comes on out. Man, we didn't collide, but man, what an excitement. I was talking about early on in one of the videos, the last 3, elephant ears. So you're saying to yourself, what a beautiful day, Fish. Where's your bike? Tire repair. One day I gotta do the back tire. I'll do it myself. I know what to do, how to do it, how to get it off. Just use some heat gun. Heat up the rim. Get yourself not a razor blade, get yourself a spanner. And get it behind there with a pair of gloves and just slowly heat it up, get it off. And then let it cool down. A little alcohol, put it back on, and off you go. Yep, called the flat tire. I need a new tire. Couldn't patch it because I couldn't get the rim off. Thanks to Cannondale for gluing on tires. Man, they really did a job on this fence trying to get it off. Like I said, if you want a spot on the block. Man, they did one across the street one time, and it was big. Life in the city, baby. Cement City, that is. I thought I'd stop over here and do one of these, because this is a gorgeous shop. Beautiful roses. Don't take people's roses, people. They grow them to make their place look awesome and smell pretty. I like calling the starlings Heckle and Jekyll. Oh yeah, I got my walk in for sure, a little extra. I got one more day to get in on the walk, because the bike shops don't open up to the evening hours. And maybe I'll get a call the day after, and that's another walk-in. So 2 more to go. We'll see what happens then. I can't stand any further than a hand's length, an arm's length with the hand, that is. You may not hear me because if I go back there, my mic is not on. But on that note, I'll see you on the next video. I'm Fish, and it's been a pleasure. Yeah, some things don't work out great. That thing is nice and bright. Sticks on the shirt. And how do I stick it on? I'll give you that little hint. Put one of these bad boys on, baby. If it's on the whole thing, then a little micro magnet that you're going to simply lose. And it holds on the shirt without dropping it and keeping it up there. Put it anywhere you want. Fish, see ya!